Tawan. Ayan na yung pinasal ko na niluto ko. Tapos, bahaw. Tingnan natin kung mangyayari. Eh. Uy, grabe lang po to. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, well, saw it. And then, raksa. Sarap yung sausawan ko. Sarap. Lamtang lang yun. Yung atay to eh. Yung balbalunan. Yun no? Yung balbalunan ko yung atay na. Yum. I think that atay. Yung chicken. Come here. Let's say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hi.
So you're eating the chicken. Right? You eat the chicken there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Yeah. So yummy. Ang sausawan mo maraming sili. Sarap.